Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are pleased to offer to the market this 19-plate Suzuki Swift SZT 1 litre booster jet finished in silky silver metallic. The car looks fantastic in this silky silver. It glistens in the sun, as you probably can see on this video, as it's a nice sunny day. Also got 16-inch alloy wheels. I've had a good look round the bodywork of this car, and it's in superb condition all round. Got rear tinted glass. The car's had one previous owner and has got full Suzuki service history. Very, very well looked after car. Let's have a look inside. So as you open the driver's door, you're greeted with quite an airy interior for a small car, finished in black cloth. The door cards have got a cream trim, and the car's packed with tech. That includes air conditioning to keep the cabin at a comfortable temperature, Bluetooth to make and receive calls on the move, reverse camera to aid you in parking into those tight spots. It's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can plug your phone in and screen mirror your phone onto the 7-inch multimedia screen there. Moving on to the steering wheel, got auto headlights and your volume buttons and channel skip buttons. The interior has got no marks in it whatsoever. It's a fantastic looking car. Luscombe Suzuki cars come fully serviced by our factory trained technicians, and I don't anticipate this car will be here for long, so please do give us a call and book a test drive. The number is 0113 271 2288, and thank you for watching the video.